Create a new document. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the ellipse tool. Select shape. Select no color for the fill. Select gradient for the stroke. Select or create a gradient. Press Shift and create a circle. Make the stroke width 2 pixels. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the circle. Right-click on the ellipse layer and select Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Disconnect the width and height with the chain icon. Make the width 96%. And keep the height at 100%. Rotate 5 degrees. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to repeat this action. Continue this until the spiral is finished. And that's how you make a spiral inside of a circle.